Well, I'm out here to spread love, joy, and happiness to the community, to bring unity back into the community. That's my biggest fight. Equality, peace, and love, sharing it in the community. I mean, we welcome any and everybody. There's no hatred out here. It's genuine love. And our mission is to bring, justice to those that have fallen victim to police brutality. Justice for Vanessa Gillian, denormalize sexual harassment and assault in the military, as well as equality for all people here in the United States. America is in a cold situation right now due to the pandemic and everything else that's going on. And when I say coal, I mean C-O-A-L. And in order to turn that piece of coal into a diamond, we have to apply consistent pressure to it to create a beautiful jewel, out of it. So that's what we're doing out here, is applying pressure to create this diamond right here in Clarksville. And we have a beautiful relationship with, the police department here. Everyone who knows me knows I'm very peaceful. I've had a lot of hate speech and hate language thrown at me, but I respond in a positive way, because I truly, genuinely love everybody. And I want to show people what unconditional love looks like, what it feels like when you receive